Hey everybody, my name is Kristi and I love to craft. I hope you do too. This week we have a holiday on Sunday. Do you know what holiday that is? That's right, it is Easter. So we are going to be making an Easter basket full of eggs. And we're gonna get to use all kinds of fun items to make our eggs. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. Alrighty, so for this project, you're going to need paint. We've got a palette for the paint. We've got a bundle of Q-tips as well as Q-tips not in a bundle. We've got plastic Easter eggs that we're gonna break open and paint with. We've got a peep marshmallow. We've got glue, and you can also use a glue stick if you have it. We've got scissors, writing supplies, and paper. Now we're ready to get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is take a piece of paper. You can use regular paper or white construction paper. And then you're going to fold the paper in half. And then you're gonna fold it again in quarters. All right, now you're gonna take your scissors and you are going to cut out an Easter egg. Alrighty, and because we cut them in quarters, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Easter eggs. All right, let's get to decorating. First, I'm going to take one of the eggs, and I'm going to take my paint palette, and I think I am going to start with the Easter egg. So you're gonna pop open the egg, and then you're going to dip it in the paint color of your choice. I think for this, I'm going to use yellow to start. So I'm gonna dip around the edges, make sure I get all around. All right. And now I'm just gonna have fun and paint the Easter egg. And I think I'll do a different color now. So let's do blue. Alrighty, so there's one Easter egg. So let's move that one to the side. And now we're going to get another of the Easter eggs and use the peep this time. So I'm gonna use purple, and I'm only gonna take a little bit of paint and then I'm gonna blot it, just like that. Okay, here we go. Pretty cool, isn't it? All right, now I think I'm gonna take another color and let's use yellow. Again, I'm only gonna take a little bit and then blot the rest. And dab it again. And then I'm gonna take my purple again, do the same thing, and one last time. Alrighty. Now I'm going to move this Easter egg and clean up my mess. All right. And then I'm going to take another Easter egg, and I think I'll use the bundle of Q-tips. So let's do pink for this one. Gonna blot it again. And just do some different designs. You can do it however you would like. All right, let's do our seafoam green next. Okay, another egg finished. So we're gonna move this one to the side and we're gonna decorate our last Easter egg. And I'm just gonna use a Q-tip and I can do different designs with the Q-tip. So here we go. All right, and here is our last Easter egg. Okay, so now I have all 4 of my Easter eggs painted. Now we're going to make the basket while these eggs dry. Okay, so now that we've cut out our basket, we're going to glue it down. So you can take your glue stick or your bottle of glue and then put glue along the handle. And then add glue around the sides of your semicircle. Alrighty, so now we have our basket. Now what does our basket need? It needs eggs. So we're going to add our eggs in there. Alrighty, and here's our Easter basket. Did you guys have fun with that? I bet your eggs look excellent. All right, until next time. Bye, everybody.